What's good, y'all? It's your boy Barry, and I'm back with another banger, man. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix your PS5 or even PS4 remote controller if it has, what do you call it? Stick drift. Some people call it stick drift. Some people call it Joy-Con drift, but it's all the same thing, right? So, for example, it's my left Joy-Con, and I can barely touch it, and it'll move on its own. Like literally, it will move on its own. You guys get it though. Like it'll move. So, anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix it. What you're gonna need is some of this. Let me show you guys right here. It's some WD-40 contact cleaner, right? So clean sensitive electrical parts, leaves no residue. So you guys see what it is. You can find this at AutoZone. You can find this at Walmart. You can find this at, I think they have it at Lowe's, Home Depot, and whatnot, for the hardware stores and stuff like that. So you guys see that my remote controller has stick drift. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to shut it off so that, because we don't want to use it while the remote controller is off, of course. So let me go ahead and turn my remote controller off. Well, let me turn the PS5 off first, and that will turn the remote controller off. All right, let me see. How will I actually be able to, let me hold this the right way. So you get this. And the thing is, I don't want to cut the video so that you guys don't think I'm using a different remote or whatever, right? But anyways, let me hold the phone like this. Shake it up. And you want to put it into whichever Joy-Con is messing up. Typically, you'd want to move your left Joy-Con or whichever Joy-Con to the side, but for the video's sake, I only have two hands, so I can't do that. So you just press them in there like so. Don't flood it, but just put it enough to where, it'll be able to get in there. Move the Joy-Con around. Make sure my remote controller's off. Yeah, it's off. Let me disconnect this. Okay. So it is quick dry. It'll dry pretty quickly. But yeah, make sure you get it in there. So yeah, looks like it got in there pretty well. Move your Joy-Con around. I'm gonna put just a little bit more just to seal the deal, of course, and make sure that enough is gotten in there to be able to clean it. So let me put some more. There we go. All right, so I put a generous amount in there. I know I said don't drown it, but definitely put a generous amount. Not, of course, not too much, but just a good amount. Okay. Lift up the left stick if you have to. You guys know how to do that. Move it around in there. And then we'll end up turning the PlayStation 5 back on to see that it solved our issues. Now this one's not having any issues, but that one could probably be next. Hopefully not. But anyways, we'll turn it on. So from what I conclude, Oh wow. So it still does it just a little bit, but it's not so frequent like it was. So let me, hold on. Hold on, you guys. Hold on. I'll put my password in. Let's see. Would you look at that? No stick drift, you guys. No stick drift. Okay, well. So there's just a tad bit of stick drift left. It's not like super horrible and terrible, but this literally like practically solved my issues that I was having. As you can tell beforehand, when I first started the video, you can see it was going crazy. But now, like, I have literally not even a lot of stick drift. I don't even have any stick drift anymore. Like, you can literally feel it. And I'm moving the sticks now. I used to move the sticks just like a little bit and it'll drift, but now look at this. Look at this. No stick drift. Boom. And you guys, I tried to make this video as short as possible, but you know, that's all she wrote, you guys. So that's all you will need is literally some oh dang, can I focus? Is literally some WD-40 contact cleaner. Look for this bottle here. You will spray it inside of the Joy-Con, right? Whichever one is giving you issues. And from there, you spray it in there and move it around like I showed you guys. You know, lift the sticks, of course. Afterwards, play around with it. Turn your PlayStation back on and it'll work. But just so you guys don't cause any damage to your remote controller, please don't do it while your remote controller is on. You could probably fry it because it has a motherboard and the circuit inside of it and whatnot. So definitely do it while it's off. But if you guys liked the video, if this was informative, if I was able to help you fix your Joy-Con issues, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe. It would definitely be appreciated. And let me know what other type of videos that you guys will need help with. I'm Barry signing out.